Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about what health percentage should you replace your iPhone battery. So firstly, let's check your iPhone battery. Go to the settings, tap on the batteries, then tap on the battery health and charging. There you will see a percentage indicating your battery health. Now basically guys, your iPhone battery health falls below 80%, then it's a good indication that the battery may need to be replaced soon. However, the exact threshold at which you should replace the battery depends on your usage patterns and preferences. If your battery health is consistently below 80%, you may start noticing decreased battery life and performances. It's a good idea to consider replacing the battery, especially if you rely heavily on your iPhone throughout the day. And battery health below 70% indicates significant degradation, and you are likely experiencing noticeable issues with battery life and performance. At this point, replacing the battery is highly recommended to restore your iPhone functionality. Keep in mind these percentages are general guidelines and individual cases may vary. Factors like how often you use your iPhone, the type of apps you use, and charging habits can all affect battery health. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.